Assalamu alaikum 5 class. Welcome to your English lesson. Today we are going to read page number 26, that is an interview. In the previous two pages there was the lesson was related to the TV news. Now there is an interview. An interview usually an anchor person, he asks question from the guest. As you see, there is also there is an anchor and a guest as well. They are talking to each other. The anchor will ask question and the guest will give the answer. Now you see how this interviewer, the anchor person, is speaking. Welcome to the point of view. My guests today are Professor Katrina Sholokov and Abdul Latif, founder of Really Wild Wildlife Park. Latif Sahib, what in your opinion are the most interesting animal in your park? Abdul Latif, they are all interesting, but my favorites are the bison. You see the picture of bison? This is the North American animal, bison. Interviewer, can you describe bison for us? Now he had the question that can you describe bison for us? Abdul Latif, sure. Bison are related to buffaloes. Like buffaloes, they have hooves instead of feet. You see, these are called hooves. They have no feet, they have hooves. And they love walling in mud. Walling means they love to laying in the mud. Interviewer, and are they as tame as buffaloes? Abdul Latif laughing. Now he says, Abdul Latif laughing, not at all. In fact, bison can be quite dangerous. They are quite dangerous. They are not very tame, especially when they are protecting their calves. Calves are their babies. When they are protecting, they are really dangerous. Next question that interviewers say, and what's their diet? Abdul Latif, they generally eat grass and leaves from low bushes. Interviewer, okay, let me turn to you, Professor Sholokov. What are your opinion about the new wildlife park? Professor, well, I'm delighted that the wildlife park will protect so many local species, but I don't think it's right to bring in wild animals from foreign countries. He said that in my opinion it is not right to bring the animals from foreign countries. Interviewer, why not, sir? Katrina Sholokov, they could disturb the natural food chain. For example, the hippos could eat all the grass by the river, then local animals could die out because they don't have enough food. Interviewer, do you have an answer to this, Mr. Latif? Now, Mr. Latif said, we aren't sure that this will happen. Also, Pakistani children will enjoy seeing rare animals that don't live in our country. Professor, I can't agree. I'm afraid. In my view, the best ways to learn about the lives of wild animal is from a good nature film. Okay, so they are having different opinions. After reading the interview on page number 26, now move on page number 27, that is comprehension. The first one is circle the correct word. In dash, an interview or a news report. First one is already done. In a news report, someone explained facts about what happened dash. What happened a long time ago or recently? Yes, in a news report, recently. It is related to recently. At the dash, headline tell us the news. Where is the headline? In the beginning or at the end? In the beginning. At the beginning, headlines tell us the news in dash. In detail or a few words. In a few words. Headlines are shorter than detail. Each report tell us the news in dash. Detail or few words. Each report is related to a full subject, so it is in detail. Dash, someone ask other people questions. Who ask questions? An interview In an interview or a news report. In an interview, someone asks questions from peoples. So you have to circle the right option. When people express their opinion, they say dash. They say facts or what they think. Obviously, opinions are not fact. Opinion are what they think. So you have to circle the right options. Read it carefully. Match the words with the meaning with the help of your mini dictionary. And you also write N for noun and V for verbs. Environment. This is noun, this is a name. So the natural world around us is called environment. Minister. Minister, is it a verb, adjective, or a noun? It's noun. Who is minister? Check. An office where people buy, doing very well, from the sun. Factories where people make things. An important person in the government. Yes, this is related to the minister. An important person in the government. Business. What is business? So you have to write down noun, adjective and verb here, and you will match with its correct definition. Okay, use your mini dictionary. And the important task is this: write 8 sentences in your notebook using the writing frame. Take one sentence and you have to write down after completing the sentence. Visitors to the park are dashed to drive their own cars. Are they able or not able? Their own cars. No, they are not able. They are not able. Visitors to the park are dashed to take photos and videos. They are able to take photos and videos. Solar panels are dashed to generate electricity in the day. Yes, they are able. So in this way you have to join these two clauses of the sentence by these two words. For example, first sentence is written for you: visitors to the park are not able to drive their own cars. Okay, so students, you have to write down these sentences in your notebook. Share your work with group and also your reading lesson.